Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display option, and here you can see eye comfort shield option. Then just tap here and that's it. Now just tap here to enable eye comfort shield. Now if you enable eye comfort shield in your phone, then it will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep. And here you can see two options, adaptive and custom, and you can choose any option as you want. If you select custom, then you can set schedule for eye comfort shield. You can see three options here, always on, sunset to sunrise and custom, and you can choose any option as you want, but I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. Also at the bottom you can see color temperature option, and from here you can increase or decrease your eye comfort shield color temperature, and you can choose any level as you want. And it's done. And that is how you can enable eye comfort shield or night light in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.